Here we go.
Here it goes.
1214. Beehive 1214.
Get up there, Bee.
Go.
Come on, up. More up. That's better.
Of course.
There you go.
Just hang up on it. Because now I'm
Going up there. We know we missed it.
okay. Yeah.
Awesome. It's shower time at the Overlook. That's a red light. Quite a view. Part of it's the elevation in that. Alright, you let us know. This is one of my favorites. This is what I've been missing while I've been up at Steamboat. Nice shower curtain.